Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping people from messaging you on PlayStation 5. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you don't want people to be able to send you messages on PlayStation 5, here's how to do it. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top, and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open Privacy. In Privacy Settings, select View and customize your privacy settings. Scroll down to the Communication and Multiplayer section. Select where it says who can interact with you through parties, games, and messages, and change it to Nobody. Once you have done that, nobody will be able to message you on the PlayStation Network anymore. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.